like to jump.
I like to jump. I like to jump, jump up and high. Let's jump and count together. It's fun, you can do it with me. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, jump. 4 jump, 5 jump, jump and clap. Go! Count, count, count and jump. Count and jump with me. Count, count, count and jump. Numbers time. 1, 2, 3. 6 jump, 7 jump, 8 jump, jump. 9 jump, 10 jump, jump and clap. Go! Count, count, count and jump. Count and jump with me. Count, count, count and jump. Numbers time. 1, 2, 3. Again, again. One more time. Count and clap. Numbers time. 1 clap, 2 clap, 3 clap, clap. 4 clap, 5 clap, clap and stomp. Count, count, count and jump. Count and jump with me. Count, count, count and clap. Numbers time. 1, 2, 3. 6 clap, 7 clap, 8 clap, clap. 9 clap, 10 clap, clap and stomp. Count, count, count and jump. Count and jump with me. Count, count, count and jump. Yay! Numbers time. 1, 2, 3.
Hey friends! Do you want to help me count the animals? First, we need to close our eyes. Can you close your eyes? Close, close, and open. Wow! Look! There's so many animals here. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 animals! Whoa! Let's count them one more time. Are you ready? Do it with me. I want to hear you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 animals! Yay! That was so much fun, everyone! I can't wait to see you again. Bye for now.
Parents, if you had fun, you can subscribe for more learning and fun videos.